In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all answers in Google Forms using a secret trick. This method is straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps, so let's get started. First, we're going to need to access Google Drive. If you haven't been to Google Drive before, you can easily find it by searching in your web browser or heading directly to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're on Google Drive, locate the Apps section on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will bring up a list of various applications that are part of the Google Suite. From this list, select Forms to open Google Forms. This is the platform where we can create and manage forms, but today we'll be using it to peek into the answers. Once you're in Google Forms, you should see a collection of all your forms. Take a moment to browse these and identify the one you'd like to work with today. Click on the form to open it. Now with the form open, right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu where you'll want to select Inspect. This might sound a bit techy, but don't worry. This will open up the Developer Tools panel, usually located on the right side or bottom of your browser window. Inspecting the page allows us to delve deeper into the inner workings of the form. The next step is to enable Line Wrap. In the Developer Tools panel, you will see various tabs. Look for the Sources tab. Clicking on it will reveal a toolbar with a gear icon. This stands for Settings. Click it and then check the Line Wrap option. This makes reading the code and finding what we are looking for much easier. With line wrapping enabled, you can now hover your mouse over the different questions within the form. As you move your cursor around, the strings in the Developer Tools panel will highlight, representing the data behind each question. This is where you'll see the string results hinting at the answer data stored. Take your time to explore these results. They offer a fascinating look into how forms manage and display question data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to use Google Forms inspection tool to see the background data of all the forms, questions and responses. Keep in mind that this technique is more for curiosity and educational purposes. Respect privacy and data security at all times. Feel free to look around your other forms, and who knows what other insights you might discover. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Happy exploring!